Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the B11 filter on TikTok. So without any further delays, let's get right into the video. First, launch the TikTok app. Here we could see, and tap on the plus button which is on the bottom of your screen. So we could see here in the video, and on the right corner there are lots of options. Tap on the filter option. Here we could say filters, portrait filters. Tap on the landscape, and here we could see B1, B2, B3, B4, and let's go find B11, which is just right here. Tap on it, and here we could see, guys, we just got the B11 filter on TikTok. If you want other filters, you could see the options just right here. Whichever you want to and whichever you like to put, you can simply just click it and see, that's how you get the filter on. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.